So I discovered a great way to make your GoPro footage pop. And yeah, I am currently filming with the GoPro Hero 12 right now in standard quality, and it's kind of like a cinematic mode, and it works with any GoPro camera, or really any camera at all. So let me tell you how to do this trick, and quickly because it's Thursday. So this trick will actually take some editing, and on this video, I'll be using Final Cut Pro. However, many other editing programs also have this scene removal function where it basically removes out your background like this. And I actually use this paid for effect called Keeper. And to me, this is the easiest and most accurate scene removal effect that I've used. So here's how I use it. And this part is actually pretty simple if you know a little bit about video editing. So you have your talking head shot like this one right here, and you're actually gonna go ahead and duplicate that and put one on top of the other one, just making sure you remove one of the audio sources so you don't have double up audio. So then you're gonna put the Keeper effect onto it, and it will actually remove the background. You might not notice it because you already have the other one underneath it, but you can see how it actually removes the background. It does a pretty good job of it. So now with the bottom layer, we're gonna add a little bit of a blur effect on it. And just put a little bit on there. If you put too much on there, it's gonna look like too much bokeh happening back here. But you can just put a little bit of a blur and just look what it does. Like it makes it pop. It looks really cool. And because we're using the same background, just blurred out a little bit, you won't see as much, like if there is any kind of like imperfection in that cutting out effect, you won't notice that because it's just, because it's already there still, but just a little bit blurrier. And even if you're doing something with fast motion to it, it looks great. I did this on my last video at the very end of it. You might not have noticed it, but I put it on there just to see, and people were like, how did you get that effect? That's really, are you using a DSLR on that one? I also think it's cool because I can put like text behind me if I want to, and it just kind of like looks like I'm covering over that text. But there we go, that's the effect. Hopefully you were able to follow that. If not, feel free to watch it again if you need to. It's just a fun way to get your footage to pop out a little bit more. But stay tuned to the channel for more cool tips and tricks with your GoPro or other gear, and also some really cool accessories and things like that coming up on the channel all the time. Also, don't be a stranger and check the links down in the description for all of that stuff we just talked about. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Blank.
Can we call you Uncle Blanky?
No.